Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of resetting chat settings to default in Telegram. If you've made customizations to your chat settings and want to go back to the original settings, this full guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Step 2. In the top left corner of the screen, look for the 3 stacked lines icon and give it a tap. This will open the main menu. Step 3. Scroll down in the menu and find Settings. Tap on it to enter the Settings section. Step 4. Within the settings, locate and tap on Chat Settings. This will bring up the options for customizing your chat settings. Step 5. In the top right corner of the screen, you'll see 3 stacked dots. Tap on them to access additional options. Step 6. Among the options, you'll find Reset to Default. Tap on it to reset your chat settings back to the default configuration. By following these simple steps, you can easily reset your chat settings to default in Telegram, undoing any customizations you've made. We hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful in managing your chat settings in Telegram. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials and guides. Thank you for watching and enjoy exploring the default chat settings in your Telegram app.